Hey guys, just welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to create a conversion type campaign using Google Ads. So first up, we have an affiliate offer inside our affiliate network, and we're going to promote this offer using Google Ads campaign. So the first step is to copy the offer link and get ready your landing page, or if you have a product, if you have an e-commerce product, if you have affiliate offer, whatever you have, the method will be the same to promote the product. So currently I'm logged in and I can see that build tracking link. This is my affiliate link. I'm gonna go ahead and click on search. Actually, we can promote this link with Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on search and draw link. So I've copied this link right now. Now, remember one thing, when you are going to promote this kind of affiliate offers, you have to look for the restrictions, search restrictions, and the rates and the daily actions per day that you're allowed to send. So now our daily cap is 50 actions per day, so that we can make around about $100+ a day with Google Ads by promoting this offer. So there's not a big commission, but just to test things out, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly start creating the campaign. So I already have a landing page for this offer, and I will go ahead and just link my landing page with my Google Ads. So the first step is going to be the login to your Google Ads account, and you're gonna go ahead and click on new campaign. And after that, what we're gonna do is we can go to website traffic or leads. Currently my focus is that I'm gonna go ahead and click on website traffic and click on continue. Alright, so our performance max is nothing is right there, and we're gonna go ahead and click on search, as we're gonna go ahead campaign type is search. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and type my landing page URL so that Google can suggest to me a few keywords related to my affiliate campaign. I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, now what is our focus? Our focus is now clicks. We want to get more clicks. We don't need to set the maximum cost per click bid limit, as I want Google to learn the campaign, and I want to learn and I want to give some time to the Google Ads to make things profitable in the next few days. So click on next. Now we're gonna go ahead and uncheck display network, as we are only working with search network. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click United States, and we're gonna go ahead and promote the offer in United States. So right after that, what I have is the audience segments. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna click on more settings, and I'm gonna set the end date. So I want my ad to end it by 25 January. I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. Alright, so now these are the broad match keywords that Google have suggested according to our landing page URL. So I will leave them as it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my final URL and my headlines, and we're gonna go ahead and optimize the campaign for like 82 or 85%. So now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly write a few high converting headlines using ChatGPT, or I have a few ideas that I was recently making these kind of campaigns. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly enter in the headlines and get back to you. Alright, so now I have entered in a few headlines and a description, and my campaign optimization score is 87.2%, and you can see that ad trend is good, and we're gonna go ahead and click on next button. Now our daily budget is set to PKR 9,305 rupees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set a custom budget for this campaign, as I don't want to spend much money on this campaign. So that's how it works, that's how you can create an optimized campaign. So now at the end, I want to say one thing, that is to the more low CPC keywords you add into your campaign, the more conversion rate you will get. That means you spend the less money and you make the more money. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So I hope you like this video. If you have any kind of questions or any suggestion for videos, please comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will come up in the future with some amazing content related to Google Ads and CPA marketing, and I'll show you that how to make profitable campaigns with Google Ads. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.